Planet Smart City is a global property tech company that creates large-scale smart city projects powered by innovative technology enabling residential communities to thrive. Our extensive research on housing societies revealed several common problems. One of the biggest issues is the increasing maintenance costs due to excessive and unmonitored water and power consumption. This is often made worse by the lack of tools to monitor and optimize the usage of these resources. Imagine if you can lower your maintenance costs by monitoring and optimizing these consumption patterns. Imagine a world where the society's management committee and facility managers can control these resources remotely and take decisions backed by data to optimize the usage. Wouldn't that be great? Well, Planet Smart Infrastructure Management Platform, or Planet SIM, has made this a reality. Through IoT devices placed within your society and an app-based central console, Planet SIM automates management of water and lighting in the society. With Planet SIM, you can automate water pump operations based on predefined schedules and water levels, or even remotely through the app. You can detect real-time water levels for each tank, get insightful consumption reports, and flag off unusual usage patterns for further investigation. You can even call for a water tanker delivery directly from the app and track the quantity supplied in real time. Planet SIM makes water problems in the society much more manageable. Planet SIM also gives you centralized control of your society's lighting systems. Simply control the common area lights remotely through the app or turn them on and off based on a preset schedule created by you on the app. Through Planet SIM, there can be significant savings in operational and utility costs, which are up to 5 to 15% lower maintenance costs for residents. By adopting Planet SIM, now you can automate operations, analyze usage patterns, reduce maintenance costs, and reduce manpower dependency for day-to-day operations. Planet Smart City. Talk to us today.